In this video, I will show you simple and easy way to make shawarma wrap at home. Hello and welcome back to this channel. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. Feel free and hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Also share this video with your friends and family so that they can learn new recipe. I upload 2 videos every week. To make the wrap, you're going to need a clean bowl, then add 500 grams of self-rising flour, add half a teaspoon of salt, add 50 grams of melted butter. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can use plain flour or you can use all-purpose flour, but you need to add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. To mix, I'm adding whole milk, room temperature, but I'm going to add the milk bit by bit. Then use my spatula and mix until it forms a soft dough. After mixing the dough with the spatula, next step is to transfer to a clean surface, then knead the dough for at least 10 to 15 minutes with the clean hands until the dough is very stretchy. When kneading the dough, you might notice that the dough becomes sticky. Do not be tempted to add flour. Keep kneading and kneading for a couple of minutes and you notice that the dough becomes non-sticky. So continue kneading until you achieve a very stretchy dough. Did you see that? Do not be tempted to add flour. Just keep on kneading and kneading. It requires a little bit of patience. If you have a stand mixer, feel free to use it, or hand mixer. You can mix in a medium speed for at least 10 minutes. For the purpose of this video, I'm kneading with my hand. On a good day, I will use my stand mixer. After kneading the dough for at least 15 minutes continuously, you will notice that the dough becomes softer, very stretchy and non-sticky. To check if you've kneaded your dough enough or if your dough is in the right texture, use your finger and press down on the dough. If the dough springs back gradually, that means it's the right texture or the right consistency. Next step is to oil a bowl, then transfer the dough. After that, cover the dough to rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the dough, then transfer to a clean surface. But before that, you want to flour the surface to stop the dough from sticking to the work surface. After transferring the dough, cut the dough into 8 pieces. With this recipe, you can get 10 or 8 wraps. After cutting the dough into 8 pieces, to make it easier to roll, mold each of the dough into ball shape. Take one piece and flour the surface with a rolling pin. Roll the dough until flat and round. And when rolling the dough, you can flip over and you can move the dough around to stop the dough from sticking to the work table. After rolling the dough until flat, you're going to get something like this. Very, very flexible, and you have to roll until thin. You can see how thin that is. So next step is to make the wrap. To make the wrap, I have my pan in a low heat. After that, add some vegetable oil, just a little. Transfer the dough to the pan. Allow the dough to heat up for at least 3 to 4 minutes in one side. After that, flip over. After 3 to 4 minutes, you notice the bubbles scattered on top of the dough. Flip over and continue for another 4 minutes. Heat the dough up for another 4 minutes and also flip over if possible, making sure that it's golden brown. After 8 minutes, the wrap is ready. This is how to make shawarma wrap at home. But you can also use this wrap to wrap your chicken wrap, vegetable wrap. It is so versatile and very, very easy to make. To save time, I did the rest off camera. To stop the wrap from drying out, you can cover with a damp towel, or if you want to keep the wrap for at least 2 to 3 days, it's best to wrap in a food bag to stop air from going in and also stop the wrap from drying out. With this wrap, it can last for 7 days if kept in a good condition. This is how to make wrap at home, and I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you'll be able to make your wrap after watching this video. Thank you so much. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. Please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you, and I love you all.